Grant. Hi. Where are you going? Where's Jackson? Hey, Jackson. You're almost done with your crackers? What letters are those? What is it?
A bee.
A bee? Are you going to eat it? What's on your shirt today? Dinosaur? Yeah, whose tail is that? Denali. Where's your brother? Hi. Are you going to stand up? Are you going to stand up? Oh. You want to come up? Okay. Hi. Hi, Grant.